Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to install the HVAC unit. So I've changed my mind yet again, and if you've been watching the previous videos I think you know where this is going. So this bit here I got from Retro Spares, so thanks Niall for that. If you want any parts, check out Retro Spares. But anyway, we're going to take off this piece here, and we're going to take this bit here off as well, which blows air up to your windows. Most of them are removed. This is my manual control HVAC, so take away that. So now I'm only left with my B4 Passat blower here. This is my B5.5 fully electronic HVAC. Put that in, and right nicely the lip here will match onto this. And Volkswagen seemingly designed one HVAC unit like back in what, 91, 92 for the Mark II Golf, and have kept them basically the same the whole way through. So that's deadly. So I'm going to put a matrix in there. Then my parts, this will fit back on. That's the corrado part for blowing the air up to the windows. This is for blowing the air up to your face all the way through. There's another piece to go on the bottom which will blow down to your feet. And this is off a B4 Passat. So what I did for this little red unit, this controls your fan speed. So drilled a series of little holes and then cut them out with the die grinder. You can see there's a massive heatsink that has to go in there as well. So unfortunately you can't just mount it anywhere, it has to be mounted in the pipe because the fan is also cooling those heat sinks. But very easy job to do. Just drill it all out, tech screw it far side, thanks to Rubber Johnny for that tip. Ordinary bolt there, it's in nice and tight. That's it. This little red unit, this is basically the same as this here, which will control the fan speed. So that's the only change I had to do. So that's just obsolete now. Well, I'm not going to remove it, but just have to add this. So it did fit there. So it's fitting here. So I'm not going aircon, not this year anyway. Maybe next year when I have the project finished. But this year I'm just going to go non-AC. But I wanted all my digital controls. So this is really cool. So when I went to fit it, obviously it doesn't fit because it is from Passat, and the Passat has these kind of F-shaped brackets that sit here. I think another one over here. So it's not going to fit, so I had to make up my own bracket. So I spin around. So this is the bracket I made up at the back. So they're different lengths. So what I did was I took calipers, measured from here, and that's that measurement there, and went at the bottom, and that's that measurement there. This is a bracket to keep everything nice and tight, and there's a second bracket in behind. So they're drilled here going through, so that keeps everything rigid, and then they're bolted onto this, which keeps everything nice and tight as well. Now I'm going to install it and see how it goes. Hi Peps. Step now is for the heater matrix to go in.
Just give it a push. Now you get the two screws.
Okay, the two screws are now in. And this is the climatic control, and it's about to be put in. So there's the pins, and they obviously have to go down into those holes. Okay, there you have it guys, that's now all mounted. So now I have all the ducting back in. So now it's time to install the dash. So guys, there you have it. That's now the climatic control back into the later dash. So obviously this dash is a little bit damaged. You can see it there, broken at the side. So this isn't the one that's going to be used. This is just for mock-up. And but if you do have an entire dash that actually isn't damaged and you'd like to donate it, I would absolutely love it. I'm going with a later spec dash because I think it looks nicer than the early spec dash. But yep, very happy with that. So guys, thanks very much for watching. It's great to have the dash now all back in. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Support me on PayPal in the link below. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.